Hello and welcome to Cymru Rails. This weekend I visited Cardigan to attend an event held at the Mwldan Theatre where there was a special presentation on the Cardi Bach Railway taking place. The Cardi Bach Railway, though no longer operational, holds a special place in the hearts of many, serving as a cherished reminder of a bygone era. And with the theatre completely sold out, we were all gathered under one roof and had the opportunity to immerse ourselves in the captivating story of the railway. The presentation was led by Ember Phillips with live narration which breathed life into the tales of yesteryear, transporting us back in time to when the Cardi Bach Railway was a lifeline for these communities. The Whitland and Cardigan Railway, affectionately known as the Cardi Bach, was a branch line in West Wales constructed in two stages. Initially known as the Whitland and Taff Railway, it connected the South Wales main line at Whitland to a quarry at Glog. Opening its tracks in 1873 primarily for goods and minerals, the line eventually expanded to accommodate passenger services. The extension to Cardigan was completed in 1886, leading to a change in the company's name to reflect its expanded reach. Despite initial promise, financial struggles plagued the company from the start. Massive borrowings left it unable to sustain itself, ultimately leading to its acquisition by the Great Western Railway in 1886. Despite this change in ownership, the railway continued to face significant losses, prompting the cessation of the passenger services in 1962 and complete closure in 1963. The event at the Mwldan Theatre was a detailed presentation and a showing of a series of 4 short films that delved into the history of the Cardi Bach Railway. You can really tell from these films that it was the heart of the local community. The presentation was narrated live by Ember Phillips. This was a lovely presentation that gave us a great feeling of how the railway brought people together, and the event was a fundraiser for the Cardi Bach Railway Society. One of the films shown was a newly discovered film capturing the railway's last days in passenger operation. There was an incredible array of memorabilia from the railway's history on display, from vintage signage to tickets, lamp irons and sleeper chairs, and a treasure trove of photographs documenting the line in each of the stations. Each item tells a tale of the Cardi Bach Railway's glory days. These artefacts are a great example of the railway's impact on the community, and the end of an era marked by its closure under the Beeching Axe, as many people kept a lot of these items for years to remember the railway before they were passed on or purchased by the society. This exhibition of artefacts from the railway had been meticulously prepared for display at the theatre, offering further insights into its history. One final exhibit from the Society which I was very excited to see was this amazing TT scale model railway layout of Cardigan Station. Crafted with great detail by the Cardi Bach Railway Society, the layout offers a glimpse into the hustle and bustle of Cardigan Station in its prime. Let's sit back and enjoy as we watch the trains traverse through this charming scene. As our journey through the Cardi Bach Railway event draws to a close, we're reminded of the importance of preserving railway heritage and celebrating the memories that continue to resonate with communities that were once brought together by this railway. I highly recommend attending one of these events, so please keep an eye out on the Cardi Bach Railway Society's social media pages for any information about future events. Thank you very much for watching.